So Cleveland decided to upgrade me to a random marginal risk once again. And now that we're in a marginal, I feel like I wonder if Cleveland's going to do their RWT today. Because this is the third day of marginal risks. I'm here with this guy, Soda, the WWG56 collector, Tyler Soundton, EAS, and Tarrant County EAS. Oh! Record! They're going!
Heat index values in the upper 90s early in the evening. Sunday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms.
Why aren't we going?
Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy.
They're not going!
Partly cloudy. Thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s.
It's going around.
Chance of rain 60%. Monday, partly cloudy in the morning. Then clearing.
Come on, Weekly. 3, 2, 1, go.
Monday night,
No.
mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Tuesday, mostly sunny.
It's probably going around.
Highs in the upper 80s. On the latest weather map, upper level ridge providing heat for the area remains in place through the end of the week with isolated to scattered shower and storms each day.
They did not go, Tyler.
Northern Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania Thursday lifting back northward as a warm front Friday.
Come on.
The forecast
Please.
for the Mahoning Valley.
Don't postpone this.
Advisory remains.
You tested for him, but not me.
Daylight time Friday. West of today.
Come on.
Sunny late this morning,
3, 2,
then
1,
becoming
go.
mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and
They did not go. They're not going.
a chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. South winds around 5 miles per hour.
Cleveland, you jumbo fat bitch.
Rain 40%. Heat index values in the upper 90s. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening.
They did not go. They're not going.
Humid with lows around 70.
Oh,
Per hour.
they're not going.
Thursday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and
Come on, Cleveland. You went for Tyler, but you did not go for me.
south winds around 5 miles per hour.
They always usually test right after Tyler.
Chance of rain 30%. Heat index values in the upper 90s. Thursday night,
Oh my god.
thunderstorms in the evening. Humid with lows in the upper 60s. North winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Chance of rain 30%. Friday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming
Come on.
hot with highs in the lower 90s.
Don't postpone this damn test.
Becoming northwest around 5 miles per hour in the
Oh, let's see.
afternoon. Heat index values in the upper 90s. Friday night, mostly clear.
They're not going, Tyler. Oh, there they go. Let's hear the episode.
Belongs to WWG56 for the Mahoning Valley listening area of northeast inland Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for the Mahoning Valley. Heat advisory.